Alright, what's up guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today. And today's trade was longs on ES. So I'll be going over a little how I viewed price and why I entered and how I manage risk and all of that. So we'll go straight into it. So my bias in the day was bullish, and this is basically why. So on NQ, well, first of all, we're in this daily fair value gap, and I'm sorry about that thingy in the background. Oh, yeah, sorry. So we're in this daily fair value gap. Obviously, I wasn't looking for longs just because of that. That was just an extra little thing. But however, on NQ, we inversed this bearish fair value gap. We retraced, and we had this regular fair value gap, bullish fair value gap right here. So we opened up around that price this morning. So I was looking for longs due to that. And yeah, so this is basically how price moved this morning. So I was looking at ES. Then we had this big displacement up to these equal highs. So I was very interested in targeting these London highs up here. So once we had this fair value gap right here, I marked that thing out. Boom. Went in. On this, once we retraced right here, we got that nice retracement. That's when I entered. So I entered around right here, I believe. Stop loss right there. Take profit up there. So almost 2 risk reward. And this was my plan before the trade. So once I knew it was very probable we were going to hit that high. So once we hit that high, I was going to put my stop loss at break even, because those are my rules. I like minimizing risk. So we'll see how it goes. Pop. Little move up. Good displacement right there. A little displacement. Actually, not the best, but boom. Boom. We hit that high right there. Barely touched, so it did stall me out at break even right there, which is kind of unfortunate looking at it during that moment, because it looks like we're going to keep continuing back up. However, we crashed. So I'm fine with the trade today. I think it was pretty high profitable with everything adding up, but we'll just go through real quick. I did. So we swept that that low, sorry. We swept that low, then hit the London highs. So unfortunately, it just didn't hit where I wanted it to do. I just wanted to take out the low before, and again, that's the trade for today. It's a pretty simple. I'm happy with it. Like, if I got that same setup again, I think I would take it again. The only thing I see wrong with it is these equal highs right there. It didn't have a full displacement over, so that could have been the liquidity for that market structure that wanted to hit that low again, So that's the only thing I see going wrong on that trade. However, I managed risk pretty well. It looked pretty obvious we were going to hit that high or that high, so either way I would have got stopped out at break even. So that's the trade for today. Make sure to join the free group, link in the bio, and hope you guys have a good day.